Basically, I'm starting my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kamari White. I'm originally from California, but I'm actually living in Orlando, Florida right now. So with this channel, I really wanted to take you guys on my journey, kind of really document this whole journey of me becoming an aspiring chef, eventually becoming a private chef for celebrities. I believe that, you really want to bring out the best in yourself and you got to challenge yourself eventually. So this is me putting that challenge and challenging myself and putting it all out there and getting better every single day. So thanks for checking out the stories. Thanks for checking me out on Instagram. I can't wait to put out more content for you guys on YouTube. I'll be doing, like I said, menswear styling, plating, organic versus non-organic, basically shopping at Whole Foods compared to shopping at Walmart. I'll even take you guys on a day of the life of a chef. Even though at times right now we're not working, eventually we're all gonna get better and get back to work. So when we do, you guys will be seeing new content from me from that as well. So it'll be super exciting. Quarters. Nice. Favorite ingredients that I use to cook with. One of the first things I have to say is olive oil. You definitely want to get your olive oil, a nice good quality olive oil at that. Lemons. I do a lot of cooking. I think lemons are a great way to add acidity to a dish. Brightness from the lemons add color. If you do desserts, they're beautiful. Look, I even have one sitting right here. Last thing I want to talk to you guys about is sorbet. I have an ice cream machine, so you guys are gonna see me make a lot of different ice creams, sorbets, gelatos, even maybe sometimes yogurts too. Alkaline water, super healthy for you. But before we go, guys, I just really wanted to thank you again for checking out the channel and watching the quick video. That's just a bunch of past work that I've done. Please hit that subscribe button, press that like button below. If there's any questions you guys have, please leave them in the comments below and let me know what you guys would like to see more of from me. Again, I just want to thank you guys for checking out my channel. Click the link in below to subscribe. Also, check out my Instagram above right here. Thank you guys so much, and let's get going.